and welcome to Lact Power. I'm Tamika, certified lactation specialist and doula, and I will be discussing feeding the baby colostrum. This is a part of the latch troubleshooting guide. So I have a few things here for feeding. There's a syringe. I have a shallow cup. I also have a bottle where I would suggest using the cap to the bottle because it's fairly shallow, and so you would hand express ideally into one of these. If you were to pump, you could collect the express colostrum with the syringe. I have baby here, and I have my tummy sizers. And so we're talking about day one colostrum and the amount of colostrum that the baby will need. This is about the tummy size of a newborn baby, and typically they take anywhere from 5 to 7 meals. That's not a whole lot of milk, and so it should put your mind at rest that you're capable of collecting at least that amount. What most people do is, because the baby has a need to suck anyway, they'll allow baby to suck on finger. Sometimes you can get a lactation consultant or a nurse to give you an actual tube that you can tape to your finger and allow baby to suck the colostrum through the tube. Other than that, they do have other types of syringes that have a little curved pregnancy brain, forgive me, but this part, instead of being straight, is curved, so it can kind of fit in the side of the mouth while the finger is here. What I did when I was supplementing my baby with colostrum is I would give her just a little, and then I would allow her to suck my finger because I knew it was important for her to receive nutrients, and also it was important for her to suck, to develop her sucking skills. Give a little more, allow her to suck the finger. Also, you can hold baby in your arms, and you have the collection cup with colostrum, and you can just tip the cup ever so slightly, and baby will actually lap the colostrum out of the cup. I would avoid introducing a bottle at this point because we're working on latch, and if baby is not accepting the breast right now, introducing a bottle could actually send you a couple steps backward instead of proceeding forward towards your goal. So I would avoid introducing any artificial nipples at this point. It's not really necessary if you're just trying to get 5 mLs. It's not necessary to put 5 ml. This is like 25 mLs right here, so it's not even practical to waste a bottle with 5 mLs. Okay, so Of course, this entire latch education is about doing next steps that put you in the best position to reach your goal without taking any steps backward. If you can avoid an artificial nipple, please do so. If you cannot, make sure that you are having baby to have a wide latch on the artificial nipple, because when they nurse at breast, they need to have a wide latch. And so it does you no justice trying to teach baby how to latch if you allow baby to have a very shallow latch on the bottom. So that's all I have on feeding. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.